Hey, it's Jim Marshall here with Remax, Parry Sound-Muskoka Realty Limited and Team Marshall. I'm at this new listing on 23A Edward Street in beautiful Greenwood Subdivision in Parry Sound. This house has 3 full bedrooms, a finished basement with an extra bedroom, 3 bathrooms, fireplace, hardwood floors, cathedral ceilings, built-in garage, all on a 1/4 acre lot in one of Parry Sound's premier subdivisions. So if you're looking for a beautiful family house close to schools, hospital, and downtown, check out this new house that we listed in Greenwood Subdivision. Come on, let's go take a look.